Here we have some of the hazels planted from seed in the first year we moved in, the end of 2022. This is the one that made it the most, and there was another one which I took out and gifted it to some friends to celebrate the birth of their baby boy. So we have two here from the first planting I did from seed. There's a small one here. Planted at the same time, but you can see the difference. It's just some make it quicker than others, but both are on their way. Potatoes coming up, and I look forward to the apple tree blooming. Here's the elephant garlic. It was surrounded by hazels, but as you can see the holes, they were probably stolen. We'll see if any hazels come up at all. Some of the honeyberries, the violets, and here we have the saffron fading, going dormant, and more of the honeyberries. And here we also had hazels planted directly in the ground, and here we have oak planted. We'll see, some of them are coming up. But we'll see. Plum tree and another plum tree. Just opening up slowly, but they've made it. And the currants, the cuttings, developing well. More and more trees are starting to leaf out now. Hopefully we'll have a few more warmer days. Here is the pink currant, Gloire de Sablon. Put some wood chips with one cap mycelium at the base of it. Here is the currant, also with wood chips and wine caps, mycelium underneath. I made a video recently about that. And some of the strawberries, and I think dill. And here we have an air pruning experiment on the apple. We'll see if it makes roots. After making the video and doing this, I saw people saying that if you don't scrape all the bark around it, the tree might try to grow the bark. So when I did it, I thought I have to leave at least some of the bark connected in between so the area doesn't die and forms roots. But yeah, I guess we'll see what happens. If not, I'll try again if this doesn't make root. I have 3 of them on the tree. Yeah, blooms will open up soon, hopefully. The apple blooms look so beautiful. And here's the other currant I was saying in some of my previous videos, that I'll bring wood chips to surround it so it's more visible, and it is much more visible now by the plum tree. This has grown quite a bit, but it doesn't look like it's gonna make plums this year, maybe in a couple of years. And here we have the Big Ben currant, loaded with currants. I hope we'll get to eat some this year. From the description, this should be a really good variety, so I want to have more of these, so I'll take cuttings in time and propagate more. Black currant, which should make really large sized currants. We have a smaller one just beside it. They were planted at the same time, but the plants sent weren't the same size, and that one was also stepped over by a tractor, but it made it regardless. So yeah, I look forward to future bounties.